Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. In this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can enable email notifications for topic suggestion on Pinterest. So, let's get started.
Watch till the end and don't forget to subscribe to Technologyglance by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update. Without further ado, let's get started.
First of all, open the Pinterest app on your device. Now, tap on the profile icon. Select three dots icon. Now, tap on settings. Then, select notifications. Next, open by email. Now, tick the button beside topics for you under boards, searches and topics. And that's it. Now, you'll start receiving email notifications for topic suggestion by Pinterest.
Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we will love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get an update as soon as we post a video.